Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Mommy's Canvas, where I share snippets of mom life in Dubai, skincare, foods and everything in between. So the day starts early with tiffin preps, and I try to keep things simple and healthy, and of course something that they will actually eat. Last evening I prepared some idli, so simply re-steaming them before packing in their lunch boxes. I also make sure to add dates in the boxes for the sweet treat, and of course that gives them that extra boost of energy for the long school days. By this time kids are done with the breakfast and it's time for them to leave as it's their bus time. The house really gets quiet, especially after the morning chaos. So after having breakfast with my 1-year-old, I clean up the table, put things back to where they belong, and starts my real struggle is to keep this little one happy and engaged because he is missing his brothers a lot. He is lucky because we have to head out as I have to pick my eldest son's eyeglasses. So this sudden outing was definitely a treat for this little one because he really enjoys his car rides. And the time I prefer to head out is when there is no more office traffic, maybe like 11 to 12 o'clock. So I'm visiting this nearby mall, which is actually a small shopping center, but it's perfect for your quick errands. It has clinics, pharmacies, grocery stores, and even some of our favorite restaurants. So after picking up the glasses, we strolled a bit in the shopping center, and as I'm heading home, all I could think of is what should I prepare for dinner. Yes, with toddler around, dinner preps begin quite early in our home. It just makes things easy for me for the evening, and I was planning to make Shami kebab and freezing them in batches. So here I go, cutting onions and following the usual steps. I usually make Shami kebab using my own masalas, but today it will be a little different. I am following the usual steps, putting onions, soaked chana dal, boneless mutton, but the step that will be different today will be Shaan's Shami kebab masala. So this will be my first time of trying the Shaan's Shami kebab masala. Do let me know if you have tried this before. I am following all the instructions that is mentioned, even the quantities, and hoping that it turns out tasty as it looks in this box. And I did add a teaspoon of garam masala. I don't know why, I just felt like adding it, and that's about it. So I am giving it a good mix. All the masalas are well combined, and once the mutton changes its color, I have added 2 cups of water and will let it cook so that the Shaan masala will do its magic. In the meantime, the little one was getting cranky, so I had to go to him and play a little doodle game with him, which he really enjoys. Yes, the kebabs are now ready. I have added chopped onion, coriander and chilies and have frozen them. And in the meantime, I asked my maid to make some tikkiyas because I feel kebabs and tikkiyas are the best combination. Also, it's a great lunchbox option, so I have asked my maid to make some extra because I am planning to send some tikkiyas with my kids tomorrow. Also took a few minutes out to tidy up the play mat and reset the whole space before the big kids come home. And once they're back, it's like a house full of energy, alhamdulillah. And yes, in between I did squeeze some time for myself, and that was a K-drama break. And then once I was done, I realized that I had to restock this tiny drawer with some goodies while this little one was busy doing what he was best at, making mess. And yes, we are a noodle lover family and we keep on trying different flavors of noodles. This time I have ordered this Indomie's new flavor. I don't know, for me it was new. It is a spicy flavor. I also ordered the regular chicken curry flavor. Along with that, a favorite Parle G biscuit, which is really best for on the go, and peanuts for healthy snacking. And that's a wrap on our day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.